So guys, on board some few stuff I got from OVS for my sons, for me. Yeah, so it's summertime and the summer is just 1 month plus, it's finished. So I got just few things for them because these children, they are growing fast, and before next 2 months we get fit them anymore. So I got that cute shirt. I got this cute one for my baby boy that just arrived. I got these 3 sets for him as well for the summer. Yeah, I did buy a lot because I have a lot of clothes for him. Yeah, so as for the big boy, for the big one inside, I got some few pants and some few top, like 3 top. I got this fine top for him. This one is so beautiful. And I got this knicker. This one is beautiful as well. I just got their matching. I got this blue one just for school because school is closing this month end. I got this yellow and it's so cute. I got socks for church. I got this fine red top for him as well, and I got this singlet. I think this is all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I will be seeing you on my next video. Please don't forget to follow this page. Bye guys, I love you guys.